Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with clean data, 2 columns labeled X and Y in Excel or a Word table. Open Word, choose Insert then Chart and pick Line. This creates a placeholder chart and opens a small spreadsheet. Now paste or type your data into that embedded sheet, replacing the sample values. Make sure your header row stays intact so Word maps axis labels correctly. Once done, click outside the sheet to see the chart update. This immediate link lets you tweak numbers and watch the line move. Now refine the visual. Right-click the chart and use Chart Tools Design and Format. Select data to add or remove series, change ranges, or reorder lines so your primary series appears on top. For axis control, open Format Axis to set bounds, major and minor units, and number format so values read clearly. This reduces misinterpretation. You can also apply quick layouts or styles for consistent color and legend placement. Make sure grid lines and tick marks support readability. Finish by adding a descriptive chart title, optional data labels, and positioning the legend for easy reading. Use Format Data Series to adjust line thickness, dash style, and markers so trends pop against the page. Consistency matters if printing. When satisfied, right-click and choose Save as Template if you'll reuse the style. If values look wrong, troubleshoot. Open Select Data, verify the selected ranges and header cells, and ensure date or text axes aren't treated as numeric. They are common causes of misaligned plots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.